So here we have a lovely flower tangle that starts with a C shape again. We've really been doing a lot with the C. And all I'm doing is putting these little hooks on the outside of that C and bringing them down and connecting them. I don't want you to get wrapped up so much in the name of the tangle, just the process of the repetition of creating these beautiful petals from this inner C. Now, as a certified Zentangle teacher, my focus using the Zentangle method is more on the Zen and the self-care than it is the tangle. I firmly believe that it's more about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle is a bonus at the end. So at the beginning of my tangle lives, I start with gratitude or appreciation, recommending everybody do the same. Find something that they're grateful for. Take some nice deep breaths in and then exhale all the junk. Let it all go. And once you do that, I kind of just have it as a start over to the day. Whether you've had a great day, a not so great day, whatever the case may be, we're just going to start over. And we're going to focus on us and take care of us. So the things that we're going to do to help relieve any stress or anxiety or any of those types of things is we're going to make sure that we're not holding our breath, we're not biting the inside of the cheek, clenching the jaw, take the tongue off the roof of your mouth, and just relax. When you exhale, bring those shoulders away from your ears. Make sure you're not squeezing the pen too tight or pushing down too hard with the pen. And sometimes you may find that whatever stress or anxiety you have is going to move from one place to another. And when that happens, just address it and move on. And you will see that over time, when you begin to really focus on where you are and what your body language is telling you, your tangles will turn out much different as well. So we did a lovely stem, and the people who were in the live watching this live, actually they choose the tangles that we use. And in the center I did just messy orbs, but I ended up taking a special pen that I have in some of my kits, and it actually raises. It has this special something in it that gives like this rounded, so when you actually touch the tangle when it's dry, it's got these lovely little bumps, and I love that. I love using any kind of different tools that I can in my art. So here's what it ended up looking like after I took many hours shading, coloring. I used charcoal here, and this is what I got, and I love it. So I hope to see you in my lives, or make sure you come check out my videos, leave a comment, follow me on all my social media platforms. You will find the longer videos in the place where the longer videos can be, which you know where that is. Have a great day.